A few words from Quest Solutions' Gary Hunter about how Motorola's MC75 can help you improve your route accounting and direct store delivery.
Route accounting, or DSD, or direct store delivery, is a term that's probably been around for a long time. Years ago, some of the major manufacturers and major customers used it because it was a fairly expensive system. But today, it's actually now affordable to even the smaller users with 20, 30 routes because the cost of the equipment has come down, the cost of the communication has come down, the cost of the hardware itself, the printers, the handhelds, and all of that has come down, as well as the cost of the software too. So many smaller companies can really benefit from the same things that some of the larger companies did in years past, whether they're delivering potato chips or whether they're delivering Coca-Cola, Pepsi-Cola, or whatever product to the back door. Now smaller companies can enjoy these same benefits. One of the products that really makes this all come together is the MC75. This product by Motorola has an intelligent computer. It has large memory capabilities, it has cell phone capabilities, it has GPS capabilities, and it has internet capabilities, 802.11, just about everything you would want in one device. It holds the software, it can communicate back with the store, it can communicate back with the distribution center, it can go into a store and do orders. And it asks me, you want to print a receipt? And from that point you can just do a signature and you're done. What separates us from the other people out there designing software is our ease of use. Here we have a logon screen. Basically, we can go in and talk about who we're going to connect with. We log the unit on, and now we have simple steps that the driver can do, like customer service. You can go into a store and do things like customer management. When did I visit them before? Do they have credit problems? Do I need to talk to them about credit issues? Plus, you can also do this thing called dexing, which is an exchange between this handheld and the store to electronically synchronize what's being delivered with what the store is actually receiving. Now, while this may seem like a small thing to the store, it's a huge payback to the companies trying to deliver product, because in years past, they would actually sit on these invoices for 5, 6, 7 months sometimes, maybe because of a difference of only 1 or 2 cents in what was delivered versus what they thought the price should be. So with dexing, it eliminates all that. You get an electronic signature, you go back to the office, you get paid. One of the things that's really unique about this device and newer devices, they have a built-in GPS. So companies that want to have accountability for their drivers now can know exactly where that driver's at. The driver, it becomes a tremendous tool for him, because if he needs to get to a new place on the route, hasn't been there before, he can simply just hit a button. It shows him turn-by-turn directions, and actually, it's a nice, pleasant voice that tells you how to get from point A to point B. So it's not only helping the driver get his route done quicker, but it's also providing a feedback service to the company, so the company knows exactly where the driver is. They could send him messages at any time that say, we want to change your route, and also cuts down on the cost of fuel, cuts down on how many stops he's making per day, and allows him to make a more efficient workday out of him. So the question is, how's my ROI? How do I justify putting this type of system in? And it's pretty easy for you to do that. Take a look at your invoices that have been sitting around 3, 4, 5 months and understand what it would take to get those invoices paid in 30 days. Typically, what we're seeing in the industry is 30 to 40% of these invoices are sitting around for up to 4 and 5 months before they're paid, simply because it was off a penny, it was off by 2 or 3 items or something like that. If you could get those paid in 30 days or less with a system that would allow instantaneous sign off on those invoices, figure out what your ROI is on that. Quest Solution would like to sit down and work with you to determine your exact ROI. Quite often, you can pay for a system like this in less than 3 to 4 months.